Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into Asana to answer the big question. Is it the best project management tool out there? Whether you're managing a solo project or leading a large team, I'll break down its features, pros, cons, pricing, and give you my final verdict. So stay tuned till the end. Asana is more than just a to-do list. It's a cloud-based project management platform that acts as a central hub for your team. At its core, projects are your big initiatives, while tasks are individual actions. Each task can have due dates, comments, attachments, and subtasks, giving full visibility into who's responsible for what. One of the standout features is its flexibility. You can manage tasks in a list view, visualize schedules in the calendar, or organize work using Kanban-style boards. Need analytics? Asana's reporting dashboards help you spot bottlenecks. Collaboration is seamless with mentions, file sharing, task dependencies, and even mobile access on the go. Automation tools also handle repetitive workflows, which is a huge time saver. As for pros, Asana offers a generous free tier with unlimited projects and up to 10 team members, multiple work views, agile-friendly features like sprints, and a strong guide library for onboarding. But it's not perfect. The mobile app can feel limited. Each task only allows one assignee, default email notifications can be noisy, and lower tier plans lack enterprise level security. The free plan is surprisingly robust. Paid plans bring extra features, and even nonprofits get discounts. With over 100 integrations available, Asana fits into almost any workflow without additional costs. So is Asana worth it? Absolutely. Its versatility, robust free version, and productivity boosting features make it ideal for both small projects and large teams. Minor quirks exist, but they hardly outweigh the benefits. If you're serious about managing projects efficiently, Asana should definitely be on your radar. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss more honest tool reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.